shopping may not be as it once was, but all is not lost. If you stick around to the end, you'll find out how to find the best deals and, most importantly, keep your financials safe. If we haven't met yet, I'm Jasmine, the Family IT. If you've ever felt the struggle with keeping in touch with family and friends, using all this technology that's available to us, and it's become a little overwhelming, I'm here for you. I'm here to help the non-techies and make tech simple. I deeply care about my elder generations and the digital divide that's happening. And I want to help you cross that bridge and make tech easy. So if you like useful tech made easy, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so whenever a new video comes out, you'll be the first to know. Online shopping has been the best way to stay safe in 2020. But it has caused some headaches for many, being shoved onto the internet to do what we used to do in person. In this video, you'll learn how to uncomplicate the internet while shopping, get the best deal every time, and as a bonus, you'll learn how to keep your money safe while shopping online. And as always, there'll be links below to connect you with any products or services that are shown today. Alright, first things first, we're going to be using the Chrome browser, so let's jump into my computer. Alright, so here's google.com. Now, if you don't already have Chrome on your computer, don't worry, just open what you have to get to the internet and go to google.com. When you're at google.com, you can simply type in Chrome, and it will go and see, download now. And it will detect what kind of computer you already have, and we'll just speed this up. And see, for me right here, it says download for a Mac because it recognizes I'm a Mac. If you are on a PC, it will recognize that. Go ahead and download that if you don't already have it, and it'll give you step-by-step instructions what to do from there. Once you do have it, you will have this little guy here, and now, don't be alarmed, this looks black. This is actually, I customized it to look this way, but it will actually look white like you saw before. So, now that you're here at Google Chrome, the thing that we really want to get to, and what's really going to help us in saving all that money when we're shopping online, is this tool called Honey. What we want is the Honey Coupons app, and it is a browser extension. So an extension, of course, is all these little things you see up here, which helps you when you're on any website. So it gets tucked in over here, and it'll work while you're on any website. So this is what you want. So free browser extension, click on that and add Honey. It's free. Now, I also have this linked down below in the description, so if you just want to easily just click on it after you watch this video, you could definitely do that too. But once you're here, you can add it. It's free. So what Honey does, before we go on, at any website that you're on that is for shopping, it will look for any and all coupon codes for you that have worked in the past. So by the time you get to your checkout, usually in a store's checkout, you will see that it says any promo codes, coupon codes, and Honey will actually find any and all over in the internet world and use them to see what sticks. And if a couple stick, then it will input it for you, and you will get that instant discount. So what you're going to do is join with one of these. It's going to be the best, except besides email, because if you already have one of these accounts, then you already have a username and password, so you won't have to remember a whole other set of that. So I definitely would say use one of these, and it's very easy to do that. So I have Honey right up here. So I'm going to go to Amazon.com. Alrighty. So, let's check out something maybe you might want to be looking for. So let's look for anything. How about kitchen towels? All right. So let's check out any product here. This is what we're doing. So, how about these guys? What I want you to take a look at here is what Honey is going to do. You see this here? See, this is Honey, and Honey is going to tell you if there's been any price changes and if this is the best price you can get. Okay, so look, Honey is even coming up right now letting you know that this was actually once $16.99, and as of right now it is $14.44, and it's good. It's the absolute best price. So you can actually shop with confidence knowing that you're going to get the best price of whatever you're looking at. So how about, let's go for a camera. We want to make sure that we are spending smartly and we're getting the best price around. So let's see what it's doing here. It's doing the same thing, checking prices all over the internet. And it's going to tell you straight out, this is the best deal on Amazon. So on this site, this is the best deal here. And what it also lets you do, if you're not ready to buy at this moment, because you signed in, you can definitely click here. And you're going to be logged in already, and you can actually do what's called drop list, which is just saving this item for later, and it will continue to track its price movements for you, and if it goes down any lower, it's going to let you know. So that's really handy. Alright, so Amazon, awesome. It works there for absolutely anything you're looking for, so you know you're getting the best price on Amazon. But let's try a couple of other types of stores. So how about Target? And with Target.com, whatever you're looking for, it also saves you a lot of money there too. So you do have to get to a single item that you're looking for, and then Honey will scour the internet for that. So as you can see here, it already popped out saying, hey, now's the time to buy because this was more expensive, and right now this is the price. So you can go through any item. It'll work for Walmart, anything else you're shopping for. Recently I did this for a gift, and it was so great because this is like the NFL shop, right? And you're looking, everything here is expensive. So you go ahead and you find exactly what you're looking for. Oh my gosh, $99 to $100. So let's see if we can save some money. So go ahead and add the one you're looking for. You got that, add it to your cart. Price locked in, this is their own thing. Alright, so we got here to the checkout here, and look what they've done already. Now, what's really cool is that this particular NFL shop already had some coupons saved for you, but look what Honey did. It found coupons, and it says the cart total is this, but with Honey, who knows? So there are 10 coupons it could try out. So let's try them out. And as it goes, it finds all of the coupons it's ever found on the internet, and it is trying them all. Now, of course, this is in the foreground and bright, but as you can see, it is actually applying every single one to see what works. And it'll even say, ooh, this one, it doesn't work, that one doesn't work. But if it does find one that works, it's going to let you know, and you'll see that that change in the price. So we'll speed this up and see what it lands on. All right. So look at this. This is what Honey has found. It found a code that's going to work. So you save $25. Now you can continue with checkout. And of course, you'll be signed in, so you won't see this here. And look, it found something here. It applied it for you. And now you're going to save $25 just by clicking on there. And this, again, works for every shopping website out there. So the next part of this is going to be staying safe while you are shopping. And I'll tell you a lot about this in just a moment. Alright, so if you're enjoying this so far, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell so you can get every new video that comes out. So next is the bonus is security. Stay safe with your money online. So let me show you how to do that real quick. We're here at checkout, and here's the most important part, and here's the bonus: security. You want to keep your money safe while you're on the internet. I know you've heard some scary things happen, and maybe it's already happened to you once and you're like, no way. But let me show you how to stay safe. Number one, there are two things, and number one is, if you look up here, you see this padlock. This is what you want to see on every single site that you're on. See that little padlock here at Target, also on Amazon. This means that the website you are on is actively keeping your information safe from anyone that's trying to get onto this website and do some harm. If you don't see this on a website that you're thinking of buying on, do not buy. Do not make a transaction on that website if you do not see this. Number two is that you want to make sure that when you use any of these here, do not use your bank card, your debit card. That is strictly linked to your bank account. There is no buffer. That is just a doorway to your bank account. Do not use that card online. What you want to use is a credit card, or use PayPal or GPay or any kind of other type of payment that is linked to either to your bank account or your debit card, but it acts as a front for it. So that's that extra layer of security. Just to say something about credit cards, if you use it like a debit card, there are so many perks. As soon as you purchase something, you just go ahead and you pay that credit card. So this is how you don't get into credit card debt if you use it this way, and you get a lot of security benefits. If you have any questions and would like to know more about anything we talked about today, put that in the comments below. I will respond. If you've enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and tap that notification bell so you can be notified every time a new lesson comes out. Hope you guys have a great day. Bye!